Hello, fellow mathematician. Today I'm going to have one question, or we are going to prove that cotangent of x is 1 over x minus summation from where this is sigma. Okay, sigma r equal to 1 to infinity 2x over r square pi square minus x square. Okay, we are going to prove that cot of this is equal to this one. So let's prove. We know sine x. Okay, sin x in term of product is what? X, this is pi. Okay, pi from r equal to 1 to infinite. This is the product symbol of 1 minus x square by r square pi square. Okay, we get from sine of infinite product here. And okay, now from this we are going to take the logarithm. Okay, and note that this x is not a multiple. Okay, not multiple of pi. Okay, it is not a multiple of pi. Multiple of pi means pi, 2 pi, 3 pi, 4 pi, all these are multiple, okay, of pi, but x is not a multiple of pi. Okay, remember that. And now taking log, okay, logarithm on both sides, log of sine x, this is what? Something like x into this one whole term, is it? So we know if you take log of product is what? Log of sum. Okay, log x plus, and this is again the product formula also. We know that from log. Okay, let me write later. This will change to summation. Okay, summation, if I don't write also, it will be r equal to 1 to infinity of log of 1 minus x square by r square pi square. You may wonder why this product changes to summation, because we know from log property. Okay, log of AB, which is product. Okay, log of AB product will be what? Log A plus log B. That means this product changes to summation. So this is also product, so it changes to summation. Okay, sum. And let's take this one to be 1. Okay, now let's take that other, which is log of, similar with this, x plus, let's say h. Okay, in here it will be log of x plus h. In place of x we put x plus h. Okay, plus summation log of what? 1 minus, in place of x we put x plus h. Okay, whole square over r square pi square. Let's say this is equation 2. Okay, now if I subtract 1 from 2, that means, and this equation 2 minus equation 1. Okay, so what do we get? If I subtract log of sine x plus h minus, this is the left hand side. Okay, log sine of x, which is equal to, the right hand side will be log of x plus h minus log of x. Okay, this 2 plus summation of log of 1 minus x plus h whole square over r square pi square minus this one, summation of log what? 1 minus x square by r square pi square. Okay, this whole term are 1. Okay, and again we know from properties of log that if log is subtract, that means they should be divide. The log should be divide x plus h over sin x. Okay, which is equal to this also same thing, log of x plus h over x, okay, plus summation log of, and here minus mean divide, okay, this divided by this will be that, what will be that, r square pi square r square pi square r square this, okay, no, from this r square pi square minus x plus h whole square divided by this also r square pi square minus x square, okay, because this r square pi square we cancel, you take the RCM, okay, and you get this one, okay. Let's take this to be equation 3, and let's expand left hand side first and after that right hand side, okay. Now left hand side of 3, left hand side of equation 3, this what, log of, we know sine of a plus b is what, sine a cos b cos a sine b, okay, which is what, log of these two will cancel, it will be cos h plus this and this will cot x sine h. Here we need to know expand sine and cosine expansion, okay, sine and cosine expansion. Here let me put as record sine of x is x minus x cubed by 3 factorial plus x 5 by 5 factorial minus and so on. This is the sine series, and cosine series is 1 minus x squared by 2 factorial plus x 4 by 4 factorial minus and so on, okay. Keep in mind this too. So applying here, log of cos of h will be here x, just replace x by h, okay, 1 minus h squared by 2 factorial plus and so on, okay. Let me put on here, cot sine of x will be what, cot of, here will be plus, okay, this one cot x, sine will be, sine of h will be h minus h cubed by 3 factorial plus and so on, okay, which is log 1, let me write this first, okay, plus h cot x, okay, this one if you multiply plus and so on, higher power, okay, plus higher power, so we know that what, we know again log series, which is one is that log of 1 plus x is what, x minus x squared by 2 plus x cubed by 3 minus and so on, okay. Applying this formula here because it is 1 plus something, so which is x, this one first, so it will be h cot x plus higher power, now neglecting the higher power, okay, higher power of h, because if it is higher and higher then it will be approximately equal to 0, okay. Okay, this is the left hand side, okay, remember that one. Now this is, and now for the right hand side, okay, right hand side of equation 3, what is the right hand side here, equation 3, this one I can split as what, log x plus h over x, I can split as what? 1 plus h over x, okay, which is same thing, plus summation. If I don't write here r equal to 1 to infinity also, just think, okay, because here we have already that r equal to 1 to infinity. So and log, and from this what can we get? What can we get from here? We are going to put in the form of like this, 1 plus or 1 minus also, no harm, 1 plus okay, sorry, here will be multiply, okay, not minus, multiply minus, in order to get, I'm going to multiply by what is that? Okay, let's split here, r square pi square over let me take minus, okay, and this is a plus b whole square, a square plus b square plus twice ab, okay, over r square pi square minus x square, okay, okay, here will be minus, okay, between these two it will be minus. Now these two is same thing, no, isn't it? R square pi square minus x square, which is also same thing, so we can simplify it as, okay, if this one you can divide now, this will be 1 minus, okay, because here is minus, it will be 1 minus this one, okay, 2 x is, okay, wait here, this is minus of this one, that mean this whole term will be minus, okay, this whole term, not plus, it will be minus, so minus 2x h over, what is this, r square pi square minus x square, okay, in, okay, minus, what is that, h square, this one whole square over pi square minus x square, okay, this is in the form of 1 minus, okay. Now log of 1 plus something will be x over h, here just apply this one, log of this one, okay, it will be like this, okay, plus what is that? Minus x square, which is a square x square by 2, not 2 factorial, only 2, plus and so on. Okay, plus summation of here. So if you expand here minus, but replace x by minus, okay, you will get, which is minus of this one. What is that? 2x over r square pi square minus x square minus a square r square pi square minus x square, and so on. Okay, now since this is, and we neglect this one because if the power is higher and higher, then it will approximately equal to 0. Okay, so we neglect that one. S over x, this minus come here, summation, and here also we neglect the higher power. Okay, that higher power we neglect it, and okay, here is h, 2x h over this minus come from here. Okay, r square pi square minus x square, plus here will be a higher power. Okay, higher power. Now putting this one, okay, putting the left hand side we have already finished here. Okay, and the right hand side is already here. Now we are going to put these two value in equation 3. Okay, yeah, in equation 3. What is that in equation 3? What is the equation 3 here? Therefore, what is the left hand side? Log of this one, left hand side we get x cot x. Okay, x, hey, and not x, hay's cot x, which is hay's cot x equal to, here we neglect the higher power, and equal to the right hand side. Right hand side is here, we get this one. Okay, which is h over x minus this h, let me come out here. Okay, before that, because this is from 1 r, isn't it? R equal to 1 to infinity, so this does not, h does not contain h, so r. Okay, so from r equal to 1 to infinity, 2x over r square pi square minus x square, and neglecting the higher power. Okay, now since we are going to find, what is our last answer? Cot, is it? So I'm going to find for cot. Therefore cot x will be this one. If you transfer here, it will be what, under this one. Okay, h over h, summation of 2x over r square pi square minus x square, so this will cancel. Lastly we will get cot x is equal to 1 over x minus summation of 2x over r square pi square minus x square, where is r from 1 to infinity. Okay, and this is our required answer. This is our proof, this one here. Okay, let me do one more time. 1 over x minus summation 2x over, if I put r equal to 1, it will be pi square minus x square minus 2x over 2 square y square minus x square minus, and so on. Okay, up to infinity. So this is our last proof.